Hi, today we're gonna do letter R. I made two different angles. Depending on how you want to design your letters, make sure that which angle looks the better. Always before you try to design it on graph paper. Make sure the measurements are correct. The basic shape is always the P, right? This bottom part is becoming the center. And depending on how you want to do it, you just connect these corners and then you can create a R. Sometimes some people made a little bit curve, right? Straight or curve it this way. So depending on your preference, the design of the letter R could be different. So I made some preparation so to save some time. So just like the one that I showed you previously, here's the letter that facing the right side, and here's another design of the letter R curving it facing the left side. The light source is here, the front is getting darker, lighter, and this side will be lighter. So following that, this is the letter R facing here. Of course, the light source will be over there. And here's the 1, 2, 3 box, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, just like the graph paper we tried in the beginning. And here's the middle of this 3 column, and this is the middle of these 3 rows. And again here, and you will be connecting it. And this bottom side will be a little bit more deeper. And this part will be same. Here's the point, and here's the middle part. And curve will be same as that. And the bottom curve will be same as this one. So you just finish the line, making it a little bit darker to see better. This bottom part, you do not want to do it yet. So this one, I'm going to do the curve. Making it straight is a very simple task. So we'll make both the curve on the leg that's stretching out. So you try to do the curve here, and then this is the point actually, and then coming down, and then go over there, and same thing. There's the middle, and it's gonna curve it down this way, right? And just made it a little bit darker, and just making it a little bit darker, right? And then there is letter R. And then all you have to do is finish the rest, connecting it, and connect the rest of the corner to the vanishing point 1. And there is no corner here, it's all curved, right? And then that's it. There is no other curve except this little small parts on here connected, and then you will see a little bit of bottom space depending on how much curve that you provide. Okay. All right, now you want to make the how thick the letter will be. If you do it that much, then this will connect it to the vanishing point on the right side. And this part, since we made a curve, you just follow the exact same curve over there, right? And then your letter R is done. And here, same thing. You follow just facing different way. Here's the middle line and column, the row, and this time opposite. Top and bottom will have a little bit more wider. Same thing, middle, and same as what's there. and then curve coming down, curve coming down there. Right. So once you made a curve, make sure that do it lighter first, and once you are comfortable that your shape looks good, and then you darken it with pressing the pencil a little bit harder, and then going down this way, then go that way, and make the bottom darker, right? And then here's the vanishing point too. I just use the corner. The vanishing point can be always changed, but stay on horizon line. And level of the horizon line can be changed also. You want to raise it, you want to lower it. Bird's eye view, worm's eye view, it will create all different angles. Now let's see, is there a little bit of empty space here? Yeah. Okay. All right, now, if you want to make the thickness about that much, and then this parts will be straight up because this is parallel to that, and this curve will stay there, right? Just do it lightly first, and then if it feels right, then go ahead, and the same thing. I'm going to draw the line up. So that's the parts. Where's the middle? Where's the center line? There's actually center line, right? So you can go there, and then from there you curve it down, and going up in. So if that light is coming from there, right, this side will get dark, right? And this opposite side will get dark, right? Always the opposite side of the light source will get darker. Right, and here, and the bottom. If the light is coming from there, I'm going to use different light source, and this side is the opposite side, so it's going to get darker. Bottom side also, and this whole side will get dark. And of course, I'm going to tilt a little bit to get into the better position to add value. And this bottom will get darker, and there. And side will be a little bit lighter, and this inside gets darker, and then as it goes out, it gets a little bit lighter. Of course, this is just initial value. You can make it much more darker, right? Make sure that in the beginning measurement is always correct, right? 3 columns, how to do the proportional changes to the columns that gets it reduced. They are all explained in other videos, right?